Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video, we learned about dictionaries in Python, storing data in key value pairs. Today, we are exploring another collection type, that is sets in Python. A set is a collection of unique items. That means sets automatically remove duplicates and the order of items does not matter. We create a set using curly braces or the set function. For example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, apple. When we use print function on fruits, you will notice how apple appears only once in the output even though we typed it twice. We can add items with .add function and remove them with .remove or .discard function. For example, fruits.add orange and fruits.remove banana. Sets are especially powerful for mathematical operations. Union means combined sets, intersection means common items, difference means items in one set but not the other. Let's take an example. A is equal to 1 to 3, B is a set of 3, 4, 5. When we use print A union B, it will print all the values in both sets, and print A intersection B will print only the value which are common in both sets, that is 3 in this case, and print A minus B will print the values which are in A and not in B. We can loop through sets using a simple for loop. For example, for fruits in fruits, print fruit. Remember, the order may not be the same every time because sets are unordered. Some useful functions for sets include length. Fruits mean number of items. Clear, empty the set. Copy, copy the set. And that's sets in Python, perfect for storing unique items and doing mathematical operations. In the next video, we will move on to strings in Python, how to work with text and characters. If the video helped, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more lessons only on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.